Hello guys, welcome back again. I'm your host Yasir and you're watching Real Airdroppers. So guys, today's video is going to be very interesting because in this video we will be joining a legit airdrop which is already listed on the MDEX exchange, and it is going to be big airdrop. So be with me, I will show how to join this airdrop and you can withdraw these tokens. So it is actually a mining app, or just like Pi, but Pi is not yet listed, but this token is listed. You can mine daily tokens and you can sell them directly on the MDEX exchange. So what you have to do, you have to simply go into my Telegram channel, the link of which I will provide in the description of the video. When you will click on the link, that is the link of my Telegram channel, it will redirect you to your Telegram app, and a channel by name Real Eardroppers will come onto your screen. And I have recently shared this eardrop, that is the Meta Miners network, as you can see, and you will earn 240 MNC tokens per day. So what you have to do, you have to simply, first of all, I have used here word, you have to use first of all the VPN, that is the US VPN you have to use. For that very matter, you have to go into the Play Store and you have to download the Turbo VPN. You have to go into the Play Store and you have to search the Turbo VPN, and just like this VPN I have already installed it. Then you have to click on open. When you will click on the open button, then you have to select here, that is this location, you have to click on it, and then you have to select United States US server. I will click on Las Vegas first of all. Then you have to click OK, and it will take some time until it gets connected with the US server. So done, this has been connected, and there comes first ad, and I will cut it. Then you have to go back, that is into my Telegram channel. Then you have to click on this link which I have given here. You have to click on it, and then you have to enter here your email address. I will enter my email address here. Then you have to enter the security code, and you have to click, for that very matter you have to click on this message code. Then you have to complete the captcha, and for that very matter you have to slide this here. So it shows me it has been, OTP has been sent to my email, and I will wait until I reach, the code will reach into my email, and let's wait. So mail has reached, as you can see, mail from MetaMiners, and I will enter the OTP 375846. Then I have to enter the password, and I will enter it. So I have entered the password. Then this is the code which will already show, reflect on the, you have to do nothing with it. Then you have to click on this register button. Then it says registration successful. Then you have to save this password. Then you have to go in back into my Telegram channel, and I have shared here the download link here, download application link. You have to click on it and you have to download the MetaMiners app. Then you have to click on OK, and it will take a few seconds to download. So it has been downloaded. Then I will click on open, and I will click on install. So app has been installed. I will click on open. Then you have to click on, you can allow or deny. I will deny. Then you have to enter same email and password which you have used. So I have entered the email and password. Then I will click on login, and boom, I have been logged in. Then you have to click on this open button here, and you can see my hash rate is 5, and it will automatically start mining. Okay, so simply you have to do is daily open this app and daily click on open, and it will automatically mine tokens for you that will be reflected here later every hour. Okay, then you can sell them on the MDEX exchange later. So this was all a very good airdrop which you must join, and I have also shared many more airdrops onto my Telegram channel. So be in my Telegram channel. As you can see, I have shared the Kusuma NFT airdrop for the first 9,999, and then few more airdrops, that is the $50 airdrop from the coin market cap by the Division. So you can see there, I only share the legit airdrops, you can see there. And be in my channel, don't forget to pin my channel so that you do not miss any important airdrop. So it was all about today's video. Bye bye, see you next time.